Matic just got the backing of 2 more absolutely huge companies, and it's going to keep going throughout 2023. Let me show you what I'm talking about. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Polygon Matic. Matic has become one of my top picks for 2023 as it continues to absolutely blow other cryptocurrencies out of the water with their mainstream acceptance. They have backing of major companies, and many companies are using Polygon Matic to introduce NFTs within their spaces. Let's dive into the article, and I'll show you the 2 most recent companies to join Matic. This article comes from Cointelegraph. Matic price eyes 200% gains on Polygon adoption by Instagram, JP Morgan. These are 2 massive, absolutely gigantic companies. Polygon's list of high-profile partners is getting longer, with Disney, Starbucks, and Robinhood already boarding its blockchain. Polygon Matic emerged as the best-performing asset among the top-ranking cryptocurrencies on November 3rd as markets' attention turned to the latest Instagram and JP Morgan announcements. Notably, Meta, the parent company of Instagram, named Polygon as its initial partner for its upcoming NFT tools that allow users to mint, showcase, and sell their digital collectibles on and off the social media platform. Meanwhile, banking giant JP Morgan used Polygon to conduct its first live trade worth about $71,000 on a public blockchain, marking a concrete step towards integrating cryptocurrencies into traditional financial frameworks. Matic, a utility and staking token within the Polygon blockchain ecosystem, rose over 13% to 0.985 cents after the announcements, accompanied by an uptick in daily trading volume. Fundamentally, Matic's demand could keep growing given Polygon's growing NFT projects launched by mainstream companies. For instance, Polygon's list of prominent NFT partners includes names such as Disney, Robinhood, and Starbucks. Furthermore, Polygon had a strong Q3 wherein its number of active wallets reached a record high of 6 million, primarily driven by the launch of Reddit's NFT marketplace on its blockchain. With that, let's get into the technical analysis. Right now, I'm looking at Matic USD, the TC top and bottom finder metric on tradeconfident.io. If you want to get access to these awesome metrics and much more, be sure to click the link in the description to get access. The membership includes over 40 trading charts, including crypto, stocks, and macro metrics. On top of that, we are continuing to add value, including new trade setups, so be sure to click the link again in the description to get access to our membership. Let's get into the analysis here. Matic has been using this blue midline as a support structure. For those that don't know, as long as the price stays above this blue line, we are in an uptrend. If it stays below it, or mostly below it at least, we are in a downtrend, as you can see right here. But for now, we are using that as support, and therefore we are in an uptrend. Now, we're not seeing any indications from the TC market reversal here. We may see a sell signal come up in the next couple of days, but for now, it doesn't look like we have any very clear moves, except for the strong structure resistance at this line right here, which I will be taking a closer look at on the 4-hour time frame. Let's check it out. Right now, I'm looking at Polygon Matic on the 4-hour time frame here. This was the massive pump that came out as the news that Instagram and JP Morgan are going to be using Matic Polygon, and we have moved down since then. It did respect the strong structure resistance at 95.7 cents right here. And in general, we have been keeping a strong uptrend, a strong ascending channel here for basically a month here. It started right at the beginning of October. We've gotten 3 touches on each side at this point. This looks like the 4th right here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. So if this does move back down, this would be the 4th touch to the downside. For now, we are respecting the structure support, at least we have for the past week or so, at 89.7 cents. And honestly, it wouldn't be too surprising to see the price fall down to meet the double structure support right here from the ascending support line on the ascending channel pattern and the linear support structure from previous prices. We got a strong sell signal as we touched the ascending support line up here. We did get a buy signal down here, which was perfect timing. The TC top and bottom finder is absolutely rocking Matic here, perfectly calling those ups and downs. Anytime there is a buy signal, we're seeing at least a small move up here, but as you can see, most of them are actually calling it really well. Strong signals are also calling pretty much perfectly right at each of the tops. This one was a little early, but even then, that was a pretty good place to sell off, as we saw a price move down pretty quickly after that. Trend exhaustion is a little bit high in the middle. Price versus one money flow is currently at about 46 out of 100. This shows we are pretty much completely in the middle. At this point, I do expect it to continue moving down just based on structure resistance up here. This is corroborated with the trend exhaustion, just barely getting into the inner top red section and moving back down. Checking out the 1-day time frame here, we can see that the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow are still pretty much in the middle of their charts, although lower on them. The price versus whale money flow has a lot of room to move up. The trend exhaustion is in the lower part of the middle section and moving back up as well. Again, I don't think it's going to go that much higher at this point. We have met structure resistance here, and I think it's more likely to move down after these big moves. I do think it's more likely that we're going to see a move down right at this intersection of the two structure supports. But overall, I do think the uptrend is going to continue for Matic. There are just too much bullish fundamentals going on in the market right now, specifically for Matic. So I think this coin is going to be performing really well. And the fact that it's continuing its uptrend even in a bear market is a really good sign for the eventual bull market to come. Overall though, again, we are at structure resistance. Trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow are decently high and moving down on their respective charts for the 4 hours. So for now, I think a move down again to the structure support at about 89 cents is the most likely move for now. If we do continue getting crazy bullish news, we could push up higher, but I think just on a technical analysis level, I think 89 cents is more likely. Before I end the video, I just want to talk to you about how to get access to these awesome indicators. Be sure to stay to the end as I give the conclusion, but for now, if you want to get access to the indicators you saw me use in this video, you saw how well they're calling these moves, click the link in the description below. It'll bring you to this page right here. The best possible deal you can get is to snag the bundle pack first. This will include 9 trade confident indicators, including the price versus whale money flow and trend exhaustion you saw me use in this video. On top of this, it will give you a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder here. This is the best way to do it. If you snag the bundle pack first and use that $400 off coupon, you actually get all of trade confidence indicators for less than the price of just this TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal by themselves. No matter what you purchase, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please send us an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com, and we'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. With that, let's continue the video. In conclusion, guys, Matic is absolutely killing it on a fundamental level. They have the backing of 5 major companies, including Disney, Starbucks, Robinhood, JP Morgan, and Instagram. These are huge companies that are investing into NFTs, and I think NFTs will be the future. I think NFTs are going to be extremely important in the coming years. So to see Matic get really early adoption by major companies is extremely exciting. Because of this, I do see Matic as my top pick for 2023 and onward. Of course, this is absolutely not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing into any coin at all. This is just my personal opinion. I'm really liking Matic, but I do want to hear your opinions too, so please leave a comment down below with your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.